Today, we're diving into an in-depth review of the Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus, a tablet that's creating buzz for its promising features and potential value for money. Let's break down what this device has to offer, from its design and display to performance, user experience, and overall value. We'll explore both its strengths and weaknesses to give you a well-rounded perspective. Starting with the design, the Galaxy Tab A9 Plus boasts a sleek, modern aesthetic that's both eye-catching and functional. Its slim profile and lightweight build make it highly portable, ideal for both work and entertainment on the go. The standout feature here is the 11-inch display, offering a larger screen real estate for an immersive viewing experience. This is complemented by quad speakers that promise rich, enveloping audio whether you're streaming movies, gaming, or participating in video calls. Under the hood, the Tab A9 Plus is powered by a robust processor that ensures smooth, responsive performance across a variety of applications. Whether multitasking between apps or enjoying high-resolution gaming, users can expect a lag-free experience. This tablet comes with Android 13 and One UI 5.1, providing a user-friendly interface and access to the latest features and security updates. In terms of storage, options of 64GB or 128GB are available, catering to different needs and budgets. The inclusion of a microSD card slot for expandable storage is a plus, allowing users to easily increase their storage capacity as needed. However, no device is without its drawbacks. The Galaxy Tab A9 Plus faces stiff competition from other mid-range tablets in the market. While it offers a compelling package, potential buyers must consider whether its features stand out enough against alternatives from Xiaomi, Oppo, and Nokia. Furthermore, the price point, while competitive, may still be a hurdle for those on a tighter budget seeking the best value for their investment. In conclusion, the Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus presents a solid option for those in search of a mid-range tablet that doesn't compromise on screen size or performance. Its design, enhanced audio capabilities, and user-friendly software make it a strong contender in its category. However, prospective buyers should weigh its features against the competition and price to determine if it's the right choice for their needs. For those interested in exploring further, be sure to check out the link in the description below for more details on the Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus. Dive deeper into what this tablet has to offer and see if it aligns with your requirements and expectations.